I've made a 360 performance for camera video. It's a dance piece exploring how the camera and the screen can act as kind of actants in a formal dance choreography. The 360 video camera is kind of a proxy for the viewer's body, and I worked with the dancers to make a piece that has them responding to that viewer, moving around the viewer in a clockwise motion, doing solos, duets, and kind of having these fluid sort of relations to each other. As the video progresses, the piece itself starts to get metabolized by these mushrooms and this mold that subsumes the room and the dancers' bodies.
What I like about it really was the way he's incorporating dance that's related to diverse communities, but then it was in this kind of tech-related, kind of environment, immersive environment, in which we were also getting kind of a feeling of avatars and post-future personalities. So I thought that was a really interesting piece, and I enjoyed it quite a bit.
Making videos is always collaborative. There's always so many people involved, and I've worked quite closely with Rich Hall here at Collusion for the very final part of the post-production.
We split it into a triangular projection, which I think is a really interesting way of escaping that kind of putting a VR headset on technique of viewing that. I think that repurposing 360-degree footage and exploring ways of consuming that are outside of the emerging conventions, I think, is something that I'd like to do more of.
I'm sure I'll make more 360 videos, and I'm actually very, very happy with the process and the way that we made the piece.